G'day guys, you're with Craig, and this is the overview of the business model I'm using to make money with artificial intelligence. So it's a very simple system. It's working really well for me, and I want to share it with you. So the first thing we do is we look for low competition keywords, and using the tools that you can get hold of, it's very easy to find these words. The next thing we need to look for is an old domain name that sort of matches up with these keywords. So there are millions of these things coming on the market every day. There's some really good ones out there, so we're going to discover that together. We are going to create some content using the only AI tool on the planet that I recommend anyway, and I'll show you how to do that. We are going to integrate the SEO. There's two tools. We're going to integrate one of them with the AI writer, and what this tool does, it goes out and scrapes the top 10 blog sites that are ranking, looks at all the entities, the natural language processing, all these complex things that Google build into their algorithm that you and I don't even need to worry about. We just use this tool, and we are then producing content as best as we possibly can to rank in Google. We are going to put that content on a fast loading blog, and I've got some hosting for that, which is incredibly fast. Not many people know about this company. They're not expensive, and they specialize in WordPress hosting. We are going to use SEO to get some traffic and also pay per click. So a lot of the terms that we're looking for, these low competition keywords, they have lots of traffic, and we have a chance of ranking for them in Google, but we also can use pay per click to get traffic there because the cost per click is very, very cheap. Now, there's another opportunity which I've been really getting into the last couple of months, and it came by accident actually from a client, and that is creating these sites with the intent of backlinking to a customer. And the way we do this is we make these sites very, very strong, and we put content on them using the AI tool that is really super helpful. Google love it, so do the people visiting the site, and it ends up generating leads for the client. So it's an asset for them, but we do it in a special way, so it's totally separate and all the rest of it. We can monetize the site with AdSense, CPA offers, that's cost per action, affiliate offers. There's a whole range of things we can. And then you have the choice of hanging on to the site, building it up, enjoying the passive income, and selling it one day, or with the backlink model, you can sell the site straight away. So there's two angles to the business. If you need a bit of money up front, you can do the backlinking strategy. You'll get money that week. If you want to build them up, passive income, then you will, it'll take a bit longer, but you can get 35 to 40 times the monthly revenue. So if you get the blog site earning $100 on AdSense a month without you doing anything, that's worth $4,000. So, it's worth chasing. So let's get into it. Let's go and find some low competition keywords.